right. It's a good day to exercise outside, even though it's a little hot.
It was record-breaking heat, as a matter of
Well,
fact.
I mean, you know.
I mean, it wasn't awful, but
Was
for
it like
mid-January.
summer?
Right.
No, it's more like spring when we hit 81 degrees in mid-January. Cold front is on the way, though. As a matter of fact, we've got a couple of fronts in our 7-day forecast. Let's start with today. Now, we had a mix of sun and clouds, and yes, it was a pretty afternoon, and not bad. 77 is our current temperature, and the humidity is a little on the higher side at 64%, dew points in the 60s. Winds out of the south-southwest at 8 miles an hour. As I said, today was a record-breaking afternoon, well above our normal high of 62. 81 briefly got up to 81 degrees, but it did break the record of 79 set back in 1974. And early this morning had a few stray showers, only picked up 0.02 of an inch. Morning low 65, 3 degrees above our average high for this time of year. Still well into the 70s and only cooling into the 60s during the overnight, and the dew points are higher, so the overnight lows probably won't be quite as cool as they were this morning. With the higher humidity, could see a bit of patchy fog if the winds settle enough. Now, it looks like during the overnight period, they are going to be coming down and may come down enough to where we will start to see some patchy, dense fog developing. So that could be an issue after about 10 o'clock or so tonight. Could see the patchy fog continuing through the overnight and could be an issue for the early morning drive and then quickly dissipating. But we may be on the fog watch later tonight and going into early tomorrow morning. And then during the day tomorrow, winds will start picking up again and gusting at times almost 30 miles an hour. This is in anticipation, the setup before our front moves on through. And we're already seeing the upper low that is going to bring that front through right over the Four Corners region. That is the upper low and the upper energy that is going to push the front into the area come late Wednesday, early Thursday morning. Timing really has not changed with the front. Still looks like we're going to see it coming in during the late night hours Wednesday and early Thursday morning and should be gone before the morning commute Thursday. I will fine tune the exact timing of that front, but we really haven't seen too much change in the models. So before midnight, may start to see some showers in kind of the far western parishes. After midnight, we'll continue to see that line pushing on through. Metro area, North Shore, down the bayou, maybe around 3 a.m. or so early Thursday, continuing through by about 6, 7 o'clock. Most, if not all, of the rainfall should be gone. Now, temperatures behind the front not dropping very dramatically. They will come down kind of behind a secondary front on Friday. So a little bit of a drop in temperature and humidity for Thursday. And then that second front should bring in some more in the way of cooler air by Friday and heading into the start of the weekend. This is our high resolution model. Again, trying to get an idea of the timing. Now, this has a little bit sooner, maybe around 11 o'clock. Basically, the two models are about an hour difference, but it definitely is going to be more late night Wednesday into the early morning hours of Thursday and should be gone before sunrise and certainly before the morning commute Thursday, and then the rest of the day is dry. No change in the timing, no real change in the thinking of the front itself either, weakening as it moves into southeast Louisiana. We still only find much of the North Shore and our river parishes, say Florida parishes, river parishes, under that lower risk of severe weather, as it does look like the front is going to be weakening as it moves through. The reason why, there's the energy with the front. It's going to be moving away as that system pushes the front on through. So the main energy is lifting away from us. That will start weakening the front and weakening the line of storms. We'll get a break Thursday, Friday, dry. Here comes another storm system. This starts to increase rain chances by the weekend, wrapping up Sunday morning. Then it looks like a third system moves in for next Tuesday and Wednesday. So the ups and downs of our temperatures, the ups and downs of our rain chances will continue. Most of the day tomorrow dry, just a very similar day to today, warm, humid, and breezy. Better rain chance will be more late Wednesday, early Thursday, and it won't be a constant rain. We ought to have kind of a thin line of showers move on through. Temperatures not dropping much, but it will be a little less humid by Thursday, cooler by Friday. Rain chances returning. Looks like much of the day Saturday may be on the wetter side, and then Sunday morning as another front moves through, bringing with it a bit of a chillier air mass, and then another chance of rain by next Tuesday.
All right, Chris, thanks. Today, the Pelicans teamed up with Entergy